Old Bones Blues. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here are my top 3 tips for Old Bones Blues. Tip 1. Really listen to the guitars in this song, especially during the solos. They'll help you to keep time and to really stay on the beat throughout the piece. Tip 2. Throughout the open hi-hat section, make sure that you're closing the hat with your left foot when the snare comes down. Tip 3. Remember that throughout the tom fills, when you're playing triplets, the sticking is right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So your hands are going to change and alternate as you go around the kit.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit that bell to get notified every single time we post a new video. To help you practice for your next Trinity, ABRSM or Rockschool exam, check out the rest of our channel and watch more great pieces. Of course, if you have any ideas for new videos you want us to create, leave them in the comments. We love to read them and get your feedback. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for your suggestions, keep watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember, learn, play, repeat.